Hey guys, I bought these old Magistas from my friend. They're really dirty, so I want to wash them, but this time I want to wash them in the washing machine and see how they turn out. Hopefully they don't get eaten alive, because we all know what happens in the washing machines. They eat socks, you lose earrings. Hopefully we clean these up. Hopefully we take all the grubby dirt off, the crusted in mud, and if they turn out well, maybe we can black them out or do something. So drop your comments below, let us know what you want us to do to them, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna remove the laces and then we're good to go.
Jack it up.
Okay guys, the wash is done and let's see how they turned out. So I just finished taking these out of the washing machine. They do look really clean compared to what they were, but the dirt is still encrusted in. I don't think that's ever going to come off. And the machine ate one of the laces, so I'm going to have to go to eBay. Well, go onto eBay, find a pair of laces for these boots. Ugh. Nightmare. Hopefully they don't get eaten alive.